Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm gonna share the experience of someone who traveled from India to Canada, finally to Toronto through two intermediate flight. I mean, he did not use the direct flight. Instead, it came with two stopovers. So I know it's recommended to use direct airlines now because things are dynamic and rapidly changing. Nobody wants to get trapped at an intermediate location, but I mean people go through the other route as well. So basically, he traveled from Hyderabad to Toronto, and he had two stopovers. One was in Doha and one was in Montreal, and he traveled on third. So when he traveled from Hyderabad to Doha, like this was an international journey. At this time itself, his verification was done. Like he, because he was on work permit, so he had to show valid work permit, employment letter. He also showed payroll and other letters from his employer to prove that he is employed here. And also he had to show his ArriveCAN app receipt and also negative PCR test conducted. Okay, and as per him everything was checked. Then he flew from Hyderabad to Doha. Doha is in Qatar if I'm not wrong. And he liked the flight, and at Doha he had 2 hours of stopover, and then he got a flight to Montreal, and it took around 14 hours more, and snacks, food and everything was provided. Okay, so once he arrived in Montreal, he had to fill up a form that asks questions like how many days he'll be in Canada and carrying 10,000 CAD or not. So that is about custom forms he's mentioning. Then at the immigration, he was asked basic questions, and he showed them passport, ArriveCAN and other things. And he was given two sheets that says what he should do in quarantine and what he should not. So basically do's and don'ts of quarantine. And he was asked about some other things, and then he collected his baggage and he moved to Toronto. Okay, and once he reached Toronto, he took the baggage because now this was domestic, from Montreal to Toronto, domestic. So he asked about the COVID testing at Montreal. So he was told it was not mandatory for now, but there was a center, if he wants he can go for it. So guys, like federal government has the plan, but the plan of mandatory COVID testing has not been implemented, and the mandatory COVID testing at Pearson is implemented by the provincial government, not by the federal government at this moment. So because he landed in Montreal, so Montreal is in a different province, in the province of Quebec. So Quebec, if Quebec government at the provincial level hasn't made it mandatory, then it's fine. Like he did not go through it, and so like why he did all this much thing. Like when he was going through Air India, it was showing $2,000, but with Qatar Airways through this channel, he got 850 CAD, and he got a call also after when he's in ministry, about when he's in quarantine from the ministry, to make sure that he's uh, following the quarantine rules. So we know that the government is doing more surveillance nowadays. So finally he's here. So although he has used this indirect route to come in, I would suggest still look for direct routes because that's gonna be safer. If there is, like, we never know when some rules may apply, because I guess some Middle Eastern countries have applied some rules. I'm not sure if those are for transiting passengers or not. So who would like to go through such rules? But anyway, finally he managed, and then now he's quarantining. So and one more thing before I end the video, like whatever information I have is from him. I have no way to go and do the background verification if this is correct or not. It could be absolutely wrong, it could be absolutely correct, because I just rely on what information is passed on me. I don't do any verification, but I'm sharing with you guys as it came to me. So thanks for watching this, guys.